Hey, what is up guys? It's Dakota here, and today I'm going to be making a tutorial on how to make a very simple game using Adobe Flash. So, as you can see, we start out with a white square. Now obviously this is going to be what the people see. And so now, we gotta make our boundaries. So, on here, selection tool, we're going to click on it. Oops. Control C. Out of it, Control V to copy it. I'm gonna this right there. We're gonna make the top there. Click on it. Control C. Click out of it. Control V. We're gonna move it down here. It lines up. There we go. Now we're gonna select it all. We're going to press Control G, and now this is going to group them together. We're going to convert it to a symbol. Now the symbol name, it doesn't matter what you name it. I'm just going to leave a simple one. That's probably the best option right there. Type, you want to make sure it's a movie clip, and the registration is in the top left. Press OK. We're going to go over here to the properties, and the instance name, you're going to name it wall underscore 1. Now we're gonna make the character or slash player. Change the color. We're gonna go with blue. We're gonna put them right here. Not too big, but also not too small. So that's good right there. Go back to our selection tool. Oops. Make sure you highlight it. Control G. Again with the group. Right click it. We're going to convert it to a symbol. Movie clip in the top left corner. Press OK. And now for the instance name, we're going to name it Hero. Yeah. And we're going to change this to black. We're going to make the moving obstacles. Back to rectangle. Make it there. Do your selection tool. Click on it, Control G, right click it. We're going to convert to a symbol, symbol 3, doesn't matter. Movie clip, top left corner. And we're going to name it wall underscore 2. In fact, we're going to move this over to our side. And when this happens, you just double click it, and then right click and cut it. There. Now we're going to double click it. Come up here to the frames, click the black circle, and we're going to move it to about 65. You want to move it all the way back. Right click right here, create a classic tween. You're going to move this all the way down, just like that. And then you're going to move the black dot to 130, then move back to 65, move this all the way back to 130. And move this back to the top. Now if you press play, it should move all the way down and then move all the way back up. There we go. Now we're going to make our second one. Oh, you want to actually get out of that. Click one more time. Come over here. Make another one. Click it, Control G, right click, convert to a symbol, movie clip, top left corner, press OK, instance name, wall underscore 3. Move it down a little bit just so I can get rid of this. Now you're going to do the same thing. Move it to 65, move it back, whoops, not highlight it, my bad. Oh, there. Right click right here. Right. Oh, in the world. Oh, I just hate when this happens. Sorry about that. Right here. Move it back. Right click. Classic tween. Move it over. gonna do the same thing. 130. 65. Over here. Back. Okay. If you press Control Start, you can see that they both move. And now we just need to get the character moving. So what you're gonna do is I have my notepad right here, and this is all the coding you need for this game. So you can pause the video. Alright. Now, this was the last line that you could see. So all of it below is all new coding. You can pause the video. Since I'm gonna highlight it now. First copy. I'm not gonna say. Now you want to press on your hero, click on him. You can go up and press F9. What that brings up is the action screen, as you can see. Now we're gonna paste all that coding in here. Click out of it, and if you press Control Start, you can see now that your player is not moving. And if it comes in touch with a wall, as you can see, he'll reset. Oh, that was close. So now that we have that going, we need to get the ball, or the old circle that you will go into to get to the next level. Make it pretty big, I guess. There. Get your selection tool. Click on it. Control G. Right click. Convert to a symbol. Make sure all of it's the same. We're gonna, this time for the instance name, we're gonna do exit. Now what you want to do is click on this symbol and press Control D, and it'll copy it and move it out here. Right click it. You can do break apart, and now I'm gonna resize it just to make it a little bit bigger. We're gonna move it back. Oop. Back over it. Now, right click it. We're going to convert this to a symbol, but instead of a movie clip, we're going to click graphic. We're going to press OK. And for the style, we're going to do alpha, and it's going to make it transparent. Now what we're going to do is right click it again and convert it to a symbol, but this time instead of a graphic, a movie clip. We're going to press OK. For the instance name, we're going to do exit _2. Now that we have that done, we're ready to move on to the next level. So you're going to click this, you're going to press F9, make sure you press the first frame. You're going to press F9, and you're going to type in stop, and you're going to do an open bracket and a close bracket, just like that. So click out of it. Click frame 2, you're going to right click it, insert keyframe. Now what this is, you can change up, you can change it, or even add stuff you wanted to. So now for level 2, you get over here, we're going to move the ball over to the top. Oh, like I said, if this ever happens, right click it, you can just cut it. Now we're going to move this, whoops. We're just going to move this a little bit closer, make it a little bit harder. Alright, for level 2. And there you go. You have just completed your very first level of your own game. And make sure, check it works, Control Start. Make sure. Do it. So now you're on level 2. Oops. Oops. Probably do a little bit better placing of the spawn, but you can change that in your line of code.